Hey, my name is Daquan Mitchell. I I'm currently enrolled at Grantham University, as you all know. Um, I previously took courses here. Recently transferred from Newberry College. 23 years old. Recently just got out of the Marine Corps after 5 years. Did that since I was 18. I'm a single child to only child, excuse me, to a single parent. Loving mother, loving family. Currently work here at the Sheriff's Office in Newberry, South Carolina. I am majoring in electronics technology engineering, where I recently just got back on track, kind of had some things sidetracked me due to being out the country when I was in Latvia last year. Um, I'm looking to obtain right now my bachelor's, but I know I need to get my business license, my master's, my doctorates. I plan on opening, my own business through engineering. When the time comes, I know I need, experience in the field, which, that'll take time. So right now I'm just trying to learn as much as I can and get on course so I can finish my degree here and hopefully see what happens down the road. Hope you guys enjoy this little presentation. Thank you.